Today is a day in the life of Dad, so we shall follow him. And we start off with a leak on the cooling jacket of the wood chip boiler. This has been a hairline crack that he's known about for a couple of days now. So now he's borrowed my angle grinder and my die grinder, and he slapped what he calls a not pretty weld on it, but it's practical. So then he takes the JCB teleporter and pushes the wood chip up with Ruby, the dog. And this needs doing every couple of days just to push the wood chip onto the walking floor, which then pulls itself more and more wood chip into the large conveyor, which then goes up into the pusher and into the burning chamber. This is probably one of the most satisfying jobs on the farm. Tends to be one of Dad's escapes, this is. He'll just disappear for probably half an hour, 45 minutes. Just pushes the pile up. We get about 2 lorries a week in. Arctic lorries filled with wood chip. And of course this is all better than oil for the environment, and we've had this boiler for quite a few years now. It's been a fantastic piece of equipment. But we use the heat produced for glass houses here, the heating and forcing. But later today he has to do the yearly clean out. So all he's doing here is blowing an air compressor through the heating galleries, just clear all the soot and the muck out. And that is probably one of the worst jobs on the farm. And here we'd just like to take a couple of minutes to thank Page and Bird for the other week. We had a tyre that had gone and let itself down in the field, and within a couple of days they'd brought a new tyre out to us. Very quickly, in half an hour, they'd fitted it. Thanks again, Page and Bird. And here we are, some little before pictures of what I've been doing in the workshop. So this is sort of halfway through a bit of the tidy up. So we've got this nice area here. This is Bay 2 and Bay 3. All cleared out and emptied just before I started moving the stuff back into place. Here we are, making a start on the lines on the floor. Annoyingly, this is still a working workshop, so in the middle there you can see a frame that I've been making up. So I've got the floor nicely marked out now, so we actually look like we know what we're doing. Thank you very much for watching this little short video. They're the life of Belmont Nurseries, really. So make sure you check out some of our other videos. Like and subscribe. I've been Lewis Eves. This has been Norfolkfords. Farm safe.